Another important aspect of releasing neck and headache pain is opening the front of the sternum. Muscles run from there up into your clavicles, and muscles from your clavicles run up into the front of your neck and deep into the base of your skull. We're going to take the AcuBall and place it underneath our sternum. Making sure that the heated AcuBall is in the right position is what this is all about. Place it under your sternum and then move your body higher or lower on the mat until you find the spot where your body says yes right there. Take the time to find it. Move a little higher, a little lower. Make sure you've got the right spot, and you'll know when it's right because you'll feel it. Once you've got that spot, simply relax. The first minute will be tender, then the muscles in your sternum will start to release, and a chain reaction will then, in the next minute, let the muscles that run from your clavicle up into your neck also release. So enjoy that second minute and know that at the third minute, you'll actually be opening tissue and creating change. This is a very important spot for all of us who spend time hunching forward with our neck forward. Also, people that are tall who have to interact with people who are not tall are always hunching forward. So use this technique to reset your neck muscles, which will bring the curvature of your neck back upright to where it should be.